The Lenovo HX Series is designed to make it easier to run your IT infrastructure. For this demo, we're going to look at how easy it is to add additional resources to an existing cluster. We're going to start here at the Prism Home console, showing an overview of our current infrastructure. There are two key things I want to highlight here. First, we currently have about 14 terabytes free space out of 17 terabytes total. And second, we have 4 host servers configured and are using the HX 3710 appliance model. Now, let's assume we've done some capacity planning, decided we want to add a new node. We've ordered the node, received the package, installed the system into the rack. With Prism, we're going to first select Expand Cluster. That's one click. Next, we're going to see that new system. Notice we can adjust our capabilities by adding a different model from what we currently have in the cluster. We select the 3310, that's 2 clicks. We review the IP addresses recommended, select Next, 3 clicks. We get an informational reminder about hypervisor software level, and then select Expand Cluster. That's it, 4 clicks. Think about what would normally be involved in adding resources in a typical 3-tier infrastructure. We might be configuring additional storage devices, adding RAID arrays, configuring LUNs, setting up servers, configuring option cards, installing hypervisors. Lots of time-consuming tasks. With Prism, 4 clicks. So now it's in the process of expanding our cluster. In this case, it's going to take a little longer because it's also recognized that the node we're adding is slightly back level from our current cluster, so it's updating the integrated Acropolis software stack. But about 15 minutes later, it's done. So we close this window, and now we look at our Prism home screen. We see that our cluster is now 5 nodes, mixing 3710 and 3310 models, and we've added about 6 terabytes of free storage. And that's all there is to it. With Prism, we've easily expanded our cluster, adding processor, memory, and disk capacity in just 4 clicks.